Hello everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today, and today's video I'm going to be going over the Nerf Mega Talon. So this is the Nerf Mega Talon when you take off all the shells and the outer parts of the blaster. And essentially this is what it looks like without all the shells. It pretty much resembles, it reminds me of a it was like some sort of German pistol back in World War II or World War I. I forgot the name of it. I think it was like a Ruger or something. But it closely resembles that, minus this. So, and as far as taking this thing apart and, say, take out the air restrictor or upgrade the spring, it's very simple. You kind of pry these things off with either a flathead or a Phillips screwdriver. And the same goes for the air restrictor. I've already taken out the air restrictor, as shown here. I have put a tougher spring into this. I think I really want to say an airsoft spring, but I'm not entirely sure. It was just a list of parts I had, or a bunch of parts I had just lying around, and decided to use it. These are the screws. So I believe there's one screw that goes to the top piece of one of these shells, not this, but like the shells that go directly to this blaster, and then the rest are these long screws. Looks like there's one screw for the top, like I said. Looks like there is 8 long screws that actually kind of like have the blaster put together. As far as the paint job goes, I'm paint jobbing, not going to paint job this, but I'm paint jobbing the two other pieces. So the knuckle guard, for one, is going to be in like an olive green color, camouflage color. And the I just said it, the other pieces are going to be in purple. I don't know why, I figured, I don't know how this is going to look, but I'll probably make another video just seeing how well this looks and works. So far it performs without all the shelling added on, because it's still drying. This still performs great. Let me put this thing down. I'm gonna go find a Mega Dart. Oh, there's one right here. Conveniently enough. I apologize if my hands are very shaky, but just let's see. So got a Mega Dart. Gotta balance this on my knee, which is a really dumb idea. Alright, so this is leveled. Honestly, it has better performance than stock. A much better performance, I would say, because the darts that I shot out of this pistol, the Nerf Mega Talon, when it was not modified and didn't have a spring that was tougher, let alone a AR removal. Without the AR removal and the tougher spring, this was shooting no more than 20 feet. I was very disappointed, but I wanted to see if I could tinker with it and see if I could try and make it better. So far this is all I've got. I'm still waiting for the other pieces to dry, but I'll actually make a separate video connected to this video, like what the paint job process looks like. So let's go right to it. So basically this the blaster's has been paint jobbed and is already done. The modifications I've done is I've taken out the AR, making it possible so I could probably fit, assuming that this blaster is similar to the Nerf Mega Big Shock, the one I have modified in the past, and shoved CPVC in a coupler inside to shoot like elites and other smaller darts. I have this blaster modified to the point where I think I could probably do the same thing if I have the right amount of length of CPVC and a coupler to add on to it. It still fits Mega Darts and still shoots Mega Darts, but marginally better. I'm like trying to get a feel on this blaster, and so far it looks like angled shots could go a lot further than the level, obviously. But for a level shot, it seems to go a little bit further, not as further as I wanted it to, but this blaster is, I guess, limited based on its size and basically on its internals. I have upgraded the spring. I have upgraded it to, I think it was like an airsoft spring of some sort, but it was the right diameter, right internal and external diameter, and just a tad bit longer than the stock spring that it came with. Priming it is easy, and what I realized with inside this blaster, there are no screws holding things in place. It literally has flaps and indents where it's just a little hard to describe, but say like this is the flap, and it kind of connects in like that, and the only way you can get this flap piece off is you get like a flathead and kind of pry it open a little bit so it comes out. So, and I think I described that in the previous section of this video. So, that's pretty much it for this blaster. I've done a AR removal, I've upgraded the spring, I've given it my personal favorite, purple and camo paint job. So this is the camo, this is the purple obviously, but this is the camo part, and I like how the camo part came out. I left the see-through gold, or see-through yellow piece. I kept the see-through yellow piece the same and just left it untouched. It looks pretty cool, actually. Now my question is, like I said before, would CPVC fit in this, and would it work if I were to attempt to do that? So that's about it for this video. So honestly, I would try to keep this for now, unless someone else wants it, but it's pretty cool looking, and I personally like it a lot. So, well, that was weird. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. This is the Nerf Mega Talon modification overview that I have done. AR removal, upgraded spring. I think it was an airsoft spring. I could be wrong. But yeah, so this blaster's performance has been increased to, I want to say, 5–10% better performance than stock. But it's still a nice blaster. It still holds the 2 darts as promised, and yeah, I like this blaster a lot. Just, I don't know, the color scheme and all that. The knuckle guard is gonna be a little hard to get used to, but still, I like it. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, understood the video. Hope you guys have a good day, night, life, and everything else. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.